In this video, I'll detail how to turn on Hotspot on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to turn your iPhone to a Wi-Fi source for others to connect, maybe your friends and family, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on Hotspot on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate mobile service or cellular service, or you can even go ahead and click on personal hotspot straight away, like this. Now, make sure you turn on allow others to join this. So once this is enabled, this is going to turn on your iPhone personal hotspot, like this. Then come to Wi-Fi password. Then here you can just delete existing Wi-Fi password and set in a new password for your iPhone hotspot. So just set in anything. Make sure the password is what you can remember in case you don't want to change the password often. And once you're done, come here and then click on this done button to save the changes. Then once that is enabled, then your hotspot will be enabled. To know that your hotspot is enabled, you want to take a new device or another device and search for available hotspot, and your iPhone hotspot will be available. Or swipe down the control center like this. If you're using iOS 18, on the control center, click on connectivity button like this, press and hold it. Then you should see personal hotspot turned on. See that? So this is personal hotspot. If you're using iOS 17, you want to locate the hotspot icon on the control center and then click on it. So if you can turn on the personal hotspot and you see the list of devices that are connected to your iPhone hotspot, that signifies that your iPhone hotspot is now turned on. So that is basically how to turn on hotspot on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.